from fat to flat in 3 steps. 1. Win bloating and constipation free challenge. 2. 10 minutes AAI home workout every day. 3. Eat AAI slimming bread. Chef Giano, Coach Morad for AAI Oriental Mix. Thank you, salam!
Welcome to AAI Oriental Mix. Today we'll make a healthy homemade Lebanese bread with lemon and ginger. Let's go! In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Take back the bread dough. Now take one bio lemon, wash it, and peel his skin with the help of a knife. Now add the ginger powder, but if you have the fresh one, it's even better. Knead a bit, and then add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now knead the dough for incorporating all the ingredients until a homogeneous dough. At the end of this process, form a ball to help it rise. Our dough is finally ready to rise. Finally, put the dough ball inside a bowl and cover it with a towel to help the rising. Now let it rise in a dry place for 3 hours if you use the dry yeast, or 12 hours if you used sourdough, which is the healthy way. After the rising, put a sprinkle of flour on the table, and look how much our dough has risen. Put the dough on the table and split it in 2. Now form 2 balls by stretching the dough. Then let these balls rest for 10 minutes covered in a dry place. Sprinkle some flour on top and on the bottom of the dough ball and flour the rolling pin. Now roll out the ball into a flat disc. Make sure it doesn't stick. If it does, just add flour. It should be 1 cm thick. Repeat with the other ball and let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-low heat, and once it's hot, place a bread disc. Don't overcook it. flip it to the other side. About every 30 seconds for 4 times. It's almost ready. Once the bread is cooked, place it inside a towel to keep it warm. And then cook the other bread discs. Our bread is finally ready. It smells amazing and it is very soft to the touch. And it is delicious and super healthy. Shukran for watching. Leave a comment about your slimming journey. We'd love to hear your progress. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next healthy bread recipes. And I'll see you in the next video inshallah. With love and Marakah, Chef Ciano and Coach Morad.